Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
Start now, back up your Google account and photos because you will change settings and may reset the device. Next, physically clean the screen with a microfiber cloth and remove any protector or case that could press edges. Dirt or pressure often triggers false touches. Then reboot into safe mode to disable third-party apps. Once in safe mode, test touch. If ghosting stops, an app is the culprit. If not, proceed to deeper software and hardware checks. Now focus on the core fixes. Update MIUI and all apps because software bugs can cause phantom input. Then enable developer options and try touch calibration or use a touch test app to map errant zones. Make sure to note where ghost touches occur. If issues align with gestures or a recent app, uninstall or disable them and reset app preferences. Once done, retest in normal mode. If the problem is intermittent, monitor for patterns like charging, temperature, or specific screens. Finish by performing a factory reset only after you backed up everything. This removes deep software causes. If ghost touch continues after reset, inspect hardware, open the phone or have a technician check the display flex cable and connectors. Loose or damaged connectors and a warped frame often cause false touches. If possible, test using a known good screen assembly to confirm. If that proves the display, replace it. One troubleshooting tip. Try replacement screen first.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.